Hello everyone, this is Parrish. Today is Saturday, March 17, 2012, time 10:03 a.m. This video is about Parrish's prophetic sound. In this video, I would like to talk about that I came across a YouTube video which talked about people hearing thumping sounds in Seattle and hearing weird sounds all over the world. This particular video will focus on the thumping sound. Why am I making a video about the thumping sound? Is because here in Brooklyn, New York, in August of 2011, I heard thumping sounds in the sky over Brooklyn, New York, and in September 2011 I heard more thumping sounds over the sky of Brooklyn, New York as well. And I made a video about the thumping sound, and my camera had actually picked up the thumping sound from the sky. The video that contained the thumping sound is called Parrish's Prophetic Sounds, Strange Sounds Heard in Brooklyn, New York. It's on my YouTube channel. I made it in 2007 full, and I uploaded this YouTube video on January 12th, 2012. Okay, I have to make a video. Today is August 4th, 2011. The sound of booming sounds in the sky, like bombs exploding. Sounds in the sky, like bombs exploding. And actually here, while I was sitting, I made a statement. While sitting here, I had no idea I was fulfilling my own prophecy. I have fulfilled Parrish's future prophecies. Part 5, Section 10, letter I, 3 of 5. This particular prophecy call name is S10 17IS, meaning Section 10 17 Intuition Story. On May 28th, 2010 is the date. Also, I recommend, if you do watch this video, to place a pair of headphones upon your head, because you are more able to hear the sound clearly with a pair of headphones. Here I'm sitting in Brooklyn, New York, Eastern Parkway section, Crime Heights. It's a Crime Heights section of Brooklyn. August 4th, 2011, a Thursday evening. It's 10 p.m. I'm on Eastern Parkway, corner Utica, Eastern Parkway. There's a loud booming sound being projected in the atmosphere. So it's kind of difficult to hear it via this way. Okay, so now in September, I had to place myself upon my roof, because while I was in my home, I heard thumping sound outside, so I had to go upon my roof and stand on top of it, and I recorded thumping sound coming from the western sky. Carefully. Sound like it's coming from the west. The west is that way. fiction stories that reveal to me about prophecy series. Once again, go directly to the video and place a pair of headphones upon your head, and you should be able to hear the sounds much clearer. This is my third time hearing this thunderous sound from more or less a clearless sky. Is that sound coming from the sun? I mean, I can almost feel this sound coming from the west. It's almost penetrating through my body. So now let me show you YouTube's website, YouTube. I got this audio from Cosmic Preacher, updated February 8th, 2012. And it's called Alex Putney, Strange Sounds Heard Worldwide, RIR Part 3.
Related. If we compare it to your clip that we're going to play here later, but with this weird kind of thump, this is almost a sound that seemed to have been felt as well. Could this sound we've listened to the other clips here previously, could they be something produced by solar activity? What do you make of it?
Definitely, I think so. And the bottom line is that CNN has acknowledged that the brown dwarf twin of our sun, that we're in a binary star system, that a missing component to our system is now being identified. And I think
from can be heard in it. But Alex, let's move on to the thump noise now. Back in 2001 in Seattle, I'll play it, and then you can mention what you want about the clip, because there's a news report in all of this as well included. There's a report on. So let's cue that up and play that, the thump.
The Earth is causing a strange banging sound in West Seattle. Got a mystery on our hands this morning. Cape 5's Arturo Santiago is playing detective for us near Alki Point. Okay, Arturo, we've heard plumbing, air in the water line, Navy testing, earthquakes. What else have you come up with?
Well, we've also heard possible gunshots, but obviously nothing of that sort going on. But people were unnerved by this a little bit because of the strange sound that was coming from the ground, and we are pretty much at the nexus of where all this was taking place, or where it seemed to be coming from the loudest. The thumping noise you're hearing has not been amplified or modified. But it is loud enough and has the ground vibrating enough to have people concerned and saying, what is that?
There's that vibration. You can feel it. It just sounds like fireworks reverberating. And then it sounds like a band playing. And just sometimes rhythmic, sometimes not. Yeah, just dum, dum, dum.
A number of departments have been trying to figure out what the noise is and where it's coming from. The Water Department, Seattle City Engineers, Puget Sound Energy, none would go on camera to offer any kind of an explanation. And until it is figured out, residents have no choice but to listen to it.
I mean, feel it. This is like bizarre. I have no idea what it could be.
Residents in the area tell me the thumping stopped at around 1 o'clock early this morning. Now, there are a couple of working theories that are going on here. Seattle and city engineers say that it's not one of their sewer lines. Also, you were talking to Rebecca Stevenson about this being possibly weather-related, but no official word.
Okay, let me show you an article that talks about this thumping sound,
infrasound, pulsation, and fires in Seattle. Here's an article.
What's that thumping in West Seattle? October 12, 2003. So, like I must say again, the number one thing which is being revealed to me, is sounds from the future, not flooding or earthquakes or volcanoes going off, but sounds from the future. Thank you for watching my video. Everyone have a fantastic day. Take care.